Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's painting tutorial. In this video, we will be creating a beautiful rainbow abstract design using masking tape and acrylic paints. This technique is perfect for beginners and create an incredibly satisfying visual results. So let's get started. Step number 1, setting up the canvas. We will begin by applying masking tape to our canvas. This will help us create crisp, clean lines and geometric shapes. Carefully lay the tape across the canvas in any pattern you like. Remember to press down the edges to prevent any paint from seeping through. Step number 2, choosing your colors. Now let's choose our colors. For this piece we will be using the full spectrum of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue and violet. Feel free to adjust the palette of your liking, but remember to keep your colors bold and vibrant. Step number 3, painting the canvas. Using a white flat brush, start by applying the red paint in the top section of your canvas. Slowly work your way down, blending each color into the next. As you apply each shade, let your brush move freely, allowing the color to flow naturally. This is where the magic happens. Step number 4, removing the masking tape. Once our paint is dry, it's time to remove the masking tape. Gently peel it away from the canvas. This is the most satisfying part, revealing those crisp, clean lines underneath. Take your time and enjoy the process. And there you have it, a stunning rainbow abstract painting complete with sharp lines and bold colors. This technique is simple but create a professional eye-catching piece. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to take a moment to appreciate the beauty you have created. Thanks for watching.